This is how I make my jumbo dinner rolls. Here's everything I use. First, I use a whole packet of instant yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of salt. Then I add 1 cup of warm milk. Make sure it's about 110 degrees. After that, I add 3 tablespoons of softened butter and 1 room temperature egg. Once I have all that mixed, I add my 3 cups of flour. I normally stir in 2 cups and then add the third after that. And make sure to keep them on the side in case the dough gets too sticky. Once it comes together, I go ahead and knead it with my hand. And then after you get it kneaded, just make sure to put it in an oil bowl and let it rise for 1 hour in a warm place. I normally put mine in the microwave. Once you take it out, go ahead and give it a good punch and then roll it out. Make sure to cut it into 6 sections and then take each section and roll that into a ball. Now this part you don't have to do, but I just like having something down on the counter versus rolling it out, just straight on the counter. Once I get the balls all rolled, then let it sit for another 20 minutes. After that, I brush it with an egg wash before putting them in the oven on 375 for about 14 to 18 minutes. Now make sure to let them rest at least 10 minutes before you dive in. Enjoy!